Hi there, myself Zaim Saber. I'm a student of BSc Electrical Engineering from UT Lahore. It's been a privilege to be a part of this system. I truly believe a good system shortens the path to the goal, and I truly believe after encountering the PDF that this system actually shortens the path to the goal in a very systematic manner. The 2 days have been so much great. This evening when I'm just going out to my home and going to implement the things that I've learned in here, I guess this is going to change the entire scenario. The design that came 2 days before is not the same after, I guess, 2 days. So the day before we actually learned about the cohesion and social equality, which is actually the need of the hour. The way we are actually discriminating ourselves in our intrinsically in our own mindness. So this has been actually a matter of concern to us. So in this session, the way the activities being engaged and being conducted were very much beautiful. I am really thankful that I had that I am in fact so much glad to be a part of PDF that by through Ms. Rumana or the whole crew that have learned so many things about social equality and how it relates to us, and being minorities, how we deal with the stuff that comes in our way. So I would definitely say that discrimination is actually about I would definitely say that the diversity that we need in here, and my favorite activity, one of the activities that I actually liked, that was that how we are losing our identity. That was actually about the balloons activity, how we have to write our names on it, and then we just have to play a game over it. And at the end of that game, we just learned that we are just losing ourselves. We are just losing our identity in that competition, and we are just wanting others to think that we are doing it that way. So I just want to say that it's been a great privilege to be a part of this system, and I think definitely I would rephrase that thing again, that 2 days before the Zaim came is not the same the one who leaves this evening. So thank you so much.